Hey guys, wanna know how to delete your account in Filmora? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how to do it. It's super simple, so let's get straight to it. Now first up, open up your Wondershare Filmora app, or you can just directly go to the website as well. Now once you're inside the Wondershare application, right here you can see your profile. Click on it. Now click on this small arrow right here. And once this window loads, head towards View My Account. Now an external browser will open. And once you're there, you can see your account center right here. Now just scroll down until you see account. Click on it and then select profile. Now once this page loads, right here on the right side you can see delete account. So simply click on it. Now select delete my account and then check in your Gmail address for the code. Now simply select continue once you're done. And there you have it. Your operation has been successful. Now your account is in the process of deletion. And that's it. Super simple and easy. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.